Students, this is class number 5. In this class, I explain this simple question. So it is very easy to solve, students. Look at that question. You look at that question. List all the elements of the following sets. That means sets are given in set builder form. Set builder form. We should go for listing the elements. Listing means writing, collecting the elements of that sets, right? It's so easy. So, right. Rule form. The sets are given in rule method, that is rule form. You go for listing each set elements of each set. First one, solution. Set A. Set A containing X. So the character of this X, what this X has been explained here. Set A contains X. How this, what actually this X is been? It's been said here, explained here. X is an odd natural number. You should write odd natural numbers. Tell me natural numbers, students. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Natural numbers. Here it is. X should be odd natural numbers. So tell me odd natural numbers. 1. 1 is odd natural numbers. You substitute for, you put for this X. So 1. Next, 2 is that 2 odd natural number? No. 2 is even number. 2 is even natural number. You should not collect 2 for this set. What about 3? 3 is odd number as well as natural number. That means it is odd natural number. So 1, 3, 5, so on. This is the required set, students. Listing method. Listing the elements of right set. Elements are being listed. This is called as roster method or listing method. Now let's go for one more question. First question, second question, B. So right, set contains X. Set B ಅಲ್ಲಿ X ಇದೆ. X ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So that X, so B, you should collect this type of elements for B. You should collect the elements of the form X. For the set B, you go for collecting X. But what that X is been, it has been explained here. X ಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ X ಇರುತ್ತೆ, X ಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So right, -1/2. X is an integer, so lies between -1/2 less than X less than 9/2. This means X lies between -1/2 and +1/2. You see this number line, students? 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Number line. So next you take -1, -2, -3, so on. This side so on. -1/2 means -0.5. So -0.5. Where that -0.5 comes, here it is. This is -1/2. -1/2. Next 9/2. 9/2 means divide that. I think 2 4s are 8. So 1 remains 0.0, 2 5s are 4.5. 9/2, 2 9, 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1.0, 2 5s are 10. So right, 4.5. Where that 4.5 comes, students? Here it is 4.5. 4.5. You collect integers between -1/2 and 4.5. Tell me integers between -1/2 and 4.5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? you collect that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the elements of set B. So these are the elements of set B. Now let's go for collecting elements for C. So right, third one, C. C contains X. The elements of C are X. So and that X, how that X should be, is being explained here, is being told here, right? X is an integer and that should be less than or equal to 4. Tell me integers less than or equal to 4, students. x1 should be less than or equal to 4. 0, tell me integers. 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3, so on. Now put x is equal to 0. X square is less than or equal to 4. You put x is equal to 0. 0 square less than 4. Is it correct or not correct? Correct. You collect 0 for this. Next, put x is equal to plus 1. So plus 1 square. 1 is less than 4 or not 4. Collect 1. You collect 1. Next, minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. Plus 1. Again less than 1. So can I collect that? Minus 1. Order doesn't matter. You can collect elements of the set in any order. Next, plus 2. So 2 square. So 2 square equal to 4. So how much is 2 square? It is 4. 4 equals 4. So shall we collect 2 for this set? Yes. Because 2. What about minus 2? Minus 2 whole square. How much is minus 2 whole square? Plus 4. 4 is equal to 4. Correct. So shall we collect minus 2 for this set? Yes. Collecting minus 2 for this set is also correct. This is the required answer. You should not collect 3 because 3 square 9. 9 is not less than 4. 9 is greater than 4. You should not collect that. So tell me elements of set students. So minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 2, plus 2. Right? So okay students, let us solve some more questions. Look at this students. We have some more questions of the same type. Solving easy. First question, D. Set D contains X. What the X is? X andre ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. X, what that X is? X is a letter in the word loyal. X ಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ನೀವು? ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Solution. Set D. Tell me letters of the word loyal. L. So comma O. So Y. Next A. So write that's all. You should not repeat the same element. So repeating of the same element is not allowed. So write loyal. L-O-Y-A. So write required set. Next question. So next question is E. Set E. X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. The months which are not having 31 days. The months which are not having 31 days. You go on counting students. Start from January. You know how to count. You know this blind method. That hop. That upper part represents 31 days. This lower, down. This gorge, Allah antivala. Gorge represents what? 28 or 30. 28, 30, right? 31. January, you know this method very well. This upper part, 31. January should have 31 days. Next, January, February, March, so April, so May, so June, July, August, August, September, October, so November, December. Right. Now keep counting, students. Right. January 31 days, February 28 days, so except February 28 days, March 31 days, March 31 days, so April 30 days, April 30 days, May 31 days. So January, February, March, April, May, June 30 days, June 30 days, July and August 31 days, July and August 31 days, July and August 31. Next alternative, it is 30, next 31, 30, 31, correct. Just go on writing 31, 30, February you all know very well, students. 31, February it is always 28. 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31. Keep this in mind. So write July and August. July and August both will have 31 days. After that just alternating. So 31, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Right? Now count from that. So tell me the months which does not have 31 days. February. So February. Next. February 31 days. April. February. Next April. Next June. So next September. So next November. So these are the months which does not have 31 days. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೊ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 7 and 8 months. 7th month and 8th month. July, August 31, 31, 31, 31. Next 30, 31, 31, 30. Right? Alternate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question. So one more question. Now last question is X is a consonant. Except vowels are called as vowels. Except vowels of English alphabets are called as consonants. So in the English alphabet, which precedes K. Precedes means previous letters. Precedes means previous. Success means successor. Successor means after that. Successors andre ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಈಗ 4, 5, 6. 4 is called as preceder. 4 is preceder for 5. 6 is successor for 5. Preceder ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿಂದು, successor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿಂದು ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So write that. Go for that. Last one. So F. F is consonants which are preceders of K. Tell me that. A. Is that A consonant? No, it is vowel. B consonant. C consonant. A, B, C, D. D consonant. A, B, C, D, E. E vowel. E, F consonant. E, F. G, H. High. No, I vowel. Next K. Precedes K. J. You should not take K. We want preceders of K. preceders means indindu anta. So this is the required set. I hope you understood, students. So we shall solve simple, one more simple question, right? Look at this, students, one more simple question. Let us go for solving one more simple question. Match the following. It's so easy question. Write this 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. So first one, it matches with, let us find matching for this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. Are these three numbers, are all numbers prime numbers? No. 1 is not a prime, 6 is not a prime. So this first one is not matching with 1, right? X is an odd natural number less than 10. Tell me odd natural numbers less than 10. Odd natural numbers less than 10. 1, 3, 5. No, it won't match. Next, x is a natural number divisor of 6. X should be natural number. The elements of this set should be natural numbers. In addition to this, that x should divide 6. I hope this matches. 1, x is a natural number. 1 is a natural number. Further, 1 divides 6. So 1 divides 6 how many times? 6 times, correct. 2 is a natural number. Further, 2 divides 6. 3 is a natural number. Further, 3 divides 6. 6 is a natural number. 6 divides 6. All these three naturals are divisors of 6, right? So matching into matching. Next, 2, 3. So what are 2, 3? Prime numbers. 2 and 3 prime numbers. Tell me prime numbers, students. The numbers which are not divisible by any other number. The numbers which are divisible, a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime. ಏನು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2ನ 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 2ನ 2 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 2 divisors of 2. Tell me divisors of 2. 1 and 2. 1 and itself. Divisors are 1 and itself. Divisors should be 1 and itself. That type of numbers are called as prime numbers. Otherwise it is a composite. So what is composite number? 6. 6 ಗೆ 1 divisors ಹೇಳಿ. 6 ಗೆ divisors ಹೇಳಿ. 6 ಗೆ divisors 1, 6. In addition to these two divisors, so this 6 is having other divisors 2, 3, right? Therefore 6 is a composite number, it is not a prime. ಬೇರೆ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, 1 ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ 2 and 3 are prime numbers because we cannot divide 2 and 3 by any other number. 1 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 3, 2, 3 prime divisors. X such that X is a prime divisor of 6, correct? Second one A. So next, mathematics, letters of the word mathematics. This is very easy. This you know very well. So natural number, so right, matching. Next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. X is an odd natural number less than 10, correct? Okay. I hope you understood this, students. So we shall stop this class. We shall continue in the next class. Thank you.